Here's what you missed on Phathead and Cande in the morning. Weekdays 6 to 10 a.m. on My Country 96.1.
My Country 96.1, Phathead, Cande Roth. We're looking at a really good day. You're going to start off with clouds. You'll be like, oh no, what's going on? Clouds, what's happening? We'll be okay this afternoon. The sun for sure, and we get 70 plus on this Earth Day. More on that in a second. Tomorrow, more sunshine, about 67 in the afternoon. Looking forward to that. So we are turning a corner weather-wise. Let's look forward to that and be hopeful about what's going on there. A lot of big shows, of course, here. June 20th coming up. What are we, 2 months away? Just under 2 months away. Chris Lane, our birthday show. Can't wait. 14th birthday show out at Mulcahy's, moles.com. We'll get you info on all our shows and things going on in our concert world coming up throughout the morning, and some teasing of some big summer things happening. So we'll get into that. But it is Earth Day, and April 22nd, that has become the day that we celebrate the planet, try to do some good, and I know a lot of people are waking up with what's called eco-guilt. That's right. The average American hit with eco-guilt once a week. Sometimes we have, online shopping guilt, right? Netflix binging guilt. What am I doing with my life sitting here on the couch? Earth Day, eco-guilt, according to a new report. The average American experiences 48 days of eco-guilt every year. If you break that down, 4 times a month, about once a week. 31% of people, that's about 1/3, right? So if you're carpooling, one of the 3 of you in that car, you feel guilty about wasting food. Yeah, it depends on the situation and how much is left over, but I get it. About 30% feel guilty about trashing items that could have been recycled. Sure, that's a big one. And 27% feel guilty about leaving the TV on when they're not watching it. All right. I mean, you're burning energy. I feel like there could be other things to feel guilty about leaving on, an exorbitant amount of time. Over 50% of people say they're more likely to do something that isn't environmentally friendly when they're rushed or stressed. That's a big thing. When you don't have the time, but that goes with anything, right? When you don't have the time to prepare your foods, you eat worse, right? You're running around, you're starving. Why didn't I make myself lunch at home? And you go eat something bad, and all of a sudden it's lunchtime, and there's a plate of chicken fingers in front of you, and you're like, what am I doing? We get that. Rushed or stressed, you are also prone to do something less environmentally friendly, not recycling, not reusing bags, the bottles, all those things when you're out shopping. Despite these challenges, 73% of us say they wish they were more environmentally friendly. See, we want to do good. This is what I'm taking from all this stuff this morning, the eco-guilt. We want to be good. Everybody kind of wants to do the right thing. They just feel they don't have the time to do it. So take a couple more minutes out of your day to help the planet, do something for the earth, plant a tree. Maybe nice over the weekend. Can you plant a tree in your yard? Maybe that'll help. Millennials and Gen Zers more likely to feel eco-guilt than older people. That makes a lot of sense, actually. And many say that might be because they grew up with more info on climate change, environmental issues, all that makes a lot of sense for sure. It is Earth Day. Do something to help the planet today. That is, my one plea. I don't know what it is. I don't even know what I'm going to do, but it is Earth Day. See what you can do. Plenty more to do this morning. What things are we brainwashed into needing? There's a list of them. We'll get to it. Does your dog have a behavioral problem? Well, I'm going to give you the answer to the question before we even get to it. Basically, every dog has a behavioral problem. Question is, which one or how many does your dog have? We'll get to that. Twins, a pair of twins, people, they're like 50-year-old people. They've been featured on news programs before, gave a bizarre interview. We'll tell you what's going on there. And A criminal that cut down trees just days before Earth Day. They are on the hunt trying to find this person. We'll discuss that as well. Your Bald and the Beautiful Entertainment, about 8:12. National Days Good News Stories, late 8 o'clock hour. We're going to get sunny today. We're going to get up over 70 today for Earth Day this afternoon. Tomorrow, sunshine 67. Phathead and Cande, My Country, 96.1.
Phathead and Cande in the morning, weekdays 6 to 10 a.m. on My Country 96.1.